and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. I'm so excited. I've got some great news for you guys. I'm going to do something a little bit new in the kitchen. I want to touch on some cultural cooking. So what I'm going to do is a series that has different people coming from different countries to cook foods that they have in their countries. I'll cook some of it, but just to give you an idea, we have somebody from Jamaica, somebody from India. We're going to be doing some Thai food. I've got somebody from Puerto Rico. We're going to do, let's see, I said Thai, Indian food, some Mediterranean food, Greek food, all kinds. So what I'd like for you guys to do is go down into the comments and let me know what type of cultural food you'd like to see us cook, so that we can get as many different areas of the world, food from all different areas of the world, okay? And while you're in those comments, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so when these videos start coming out, you'll be notified and you'll be able to see them, because this is going to be amazing. So join me guys on my tour around the world cooking all of these great foods. Bye, and I'll see you in the kitchen.